Hi, my food lovers. Welcome back to another recipe. In today's video, we are going to be making some porridge or yam porridge or yam pottage. Let me take you through the ingredients step by step. First, we have here our onions, peppers, and tomato, our palm oil, we have our washed yam, also we have our vegetables. These are some carrots and also just some onions as well. Now we have our chicken. You can substitute these for beef or any protein of your choice. Because we are using chicken, we have our chicken seasoning, our salt, and also our Maggie seasoning, and some blended garlic, ginger, and onions. Everything is right here, so let's just get cooking. Into a pot, we are going to go in with our chicken, and this is our protein of choice. And then we introduce our blended garlic, onions, and ginger. And now you want to add some salt to taste. Also go in with your chicken seasoning. If you are using beef, make sure you add some beef seasoning. Introduce some water, and we are going to bring this to a very good mix. You want to ensure that it's well coated and the seasonings are well incorporated in everything here. Mix this very well, and then you want to cover this afterwards and leave it to steam on low to medium heat, and that's okay. Check up on it later, and then we are going to flip this over. Let's just turn it to the other side. You do this until you are able to flip everything over. We do not want to add too much water here. We just want the seasonings to be a bit concentrated so that our chicken will get all the juices it needs to really have a good taste. So you want to cook this to like 50%, and then you go in with your chopped yam or potatoes if you prefer that. Now you want to mix this very well because we want our yam to be properly mixed with the juice that comes with the chicken as well. Go in with your pepper, onions, and then tomato, and we are going to mix this also and add some water to it. Add enough water that would be able to cook your yam until it's soft. So just do it as you see right here. Cover this and allow it to boil. So later we'll come ahead and then we'll check up on our vegetables if they are soft enough for us to go ahead and blend. Now all you have to do here is to check up on your vegetables, and our tomato is soft enough for us to go ahead and blend. So you take everything from the fire as you see, and then you allow this to cool down before you go ahead and blend. Now that we've taken everything from the fire, we are going to stir everything together, and then we introduce our Maggi seasoning. Introduce your Maggi seasoning at this stage and just cover this and allow it to cook. You know, our yam is not cooked yet. We want it to be soft. So after your vegetables are just cooled and you've blended, just pour it over it, mix everything very well, and now you can go ahead and cover it again. We want to cover this so that our yam will be able to cook. At this stage, the yam is cooked, but we want it to be soft enough. That's what makes it the porridge or the pottage. So you can see at this stage that it's not bad. It's really looking good here, and someone who won't like to have it with palm oil can just go ahead and enjoy it this way, and it's perfectly okay. This is fine. Now let's use our spatula to just break it a little more so we get them in smaller pieces enough. And you can see the liquid has thickened enough. This alone shows that our yam pottage is ready. So we want our palm oil to be cooked very well, so we introduce it at this stage a bit earlier so that it will be able to also boil and cook together with everything. And now that it's almost done, we just introduce our vegetables of choice, and this is just some carrot because I want to feel some crunchiness in there, and allow this to simmer for a few minutes, and our yam porridge and MOTOMPOTO or pottage, anyhow you call it, is ready to be served. If you've come this far, thank you so much for getting here. And if today is your first time, you are welcome. And please subscribe if you haven't done that yet. Click on the bell notification icon so you get notified when next I upload a new video. And thank you so much for watching this video. Like and share your thoughts in the comment section, and also follow me on my other social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and I would see you on the next one. Until then, please stay safe and bye.